All right, welcome back, mates. Hope everyone's doing well this morning. Friday setups. We're looking at Bitcoin for today, going into the weekend. We just did a video on Ethereum. I'll put that up top so you can click on that and watch that. Pay attention to Ethereum this weekend and into next week, mates. Okay, we're looking at Bitcoin here. We have moved back above, back above the trend line, which is what we need to happen. Okay, well done on the trades from earlier this week. In the 29,000 zone because you were back into the 30,300 zone. Above currently the 7-day trend, 30,117. We are above that. The 21-day, 29,917. We are above that. Okay, that means on the 4-hour, we are bullish on the 4-hour right now, breaking above these two levels. So your setup is we are long. Okay, you should be long. You should be out of all of your sell down trades. Okay, you should be out of your altcoin sell down trades because Bitcoin leads the market. Okay, now in terms of what happens this weekend, we're going to watch the 7-day first because the 7-day is higher than the 21-day currently. Okay, so that has got to be the level that holds on any move back down. If it crosses the 7, that's a good opportunity again to reverse back to a sell down trade, especially if you're scalping or you're swing trading or you're doing any of that on low volume this weekend. You want to make sure that you are in the right direction for low volume Saturday. Okay, so you're either ahead of it today because tonight we stayed above and we're going to move today, close out early today, Friday, above the 21 and 7-day. So you want to be up for low volume because if there's buying tomorrow, it's going to take her higher, okay, for the weekend because of lower volume, and most of the volume will be buying. If not, if we are below this level, if something is to happen this afternoon or this evening, selling, whatever, you don't want to be in that up move. You want to be waiting for it to return back down, potentially to its 21-day moving average, and then see if that acts as support. You've got lower level support down here, short term at 28,800, and then obviously we know down here, well back down. Okay, so the last thing we want to do is we don't want to break this 28,800 level. Okay, we don't want to get back into 28,000. Okay, we want to stay. We want to set the foundation for momentum trading to take out 32,000. Okay, which of course is way up here. All right, on the 4-hour. And that's a macro number. 28 to 32 is the zone. It doesn't really look technically right here, but you can see how so much of this happened around 32,000 with these wicks. It's just a level of a lot of activity buying and selling. So that's what makes it a critical level on your IO map. That's in and out of the money. Okay, metric. So that's really the next barrier for Bitcoin. She could trade between 30 and 32 for the next week, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5, who knows? As long as she doesn't break below 28,000, it still remains in that zone and a continuation pattern of trading that you can play, 5 to 800 point swings inside Bitcoin, and generate 15, 16, 17%, rates of return. On a lot of, on Bitcoin, you be a lot higher, more like 40, 50, 60% using altcoins that are a lot cheaper, a lot inexpensive on the same move. So make sure you're following correlated moves right now with Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, especially with any move up you see in Bitcoin. Okay, because you're going to make more generated P&L on Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin in the same trade than you will Bitcoin because of the actual valuation differences. So you want to pay particular attention to that. You don't have to trade in Bitcoin at all. You can use the Bitcoin trend line break and trade Bitcoin Cash, in Litecoin, because they are going to mimic and mirror because they've got a 98.98.99 correlation rate to Bitcoin, which means they move correlated or in tandem together, up or down, constantly. Okay. And that's something that a lot of people now, smart people, are taking advantage of and not having to put their money into Bitcoin. Okay. They can just use the Bitcoin moves and behavior to trade profitable leverage trades off the correlated assets. All right. Quick update on Bitcoin.